Hey, what's up guys? Dave here with the Ranged Off-Road. Oh, getting in the shadows there. Doing a little video today about this machine. Not so much about the machine, but about the storage that's in the machine. Currently what we have right now is the Polaris cooler and then the Polaris storage box. And to be honest, these things are pretty awesome. I really like it. They're quite spacious, provide good storage, weather tight. They got a good gasket, good seal around them, all that good stuff. So you can see the rubber gasket goes all the way around there. Really enjoyed having these, but kind of wanted to try something different. Just to see, you know, give you guys some information on what's out there. Also, these are kind of pricey. I think this cooler is about $325 or $350, and the storage box in the back is about the same, $325, $350, somewhere around there. Yeah, I just quickly looked online really quick. That's for the Polaris brand. There is also now Kimimoto makes their own deal. Somebody's over there yelling. I don't know what's happening. Weird. So yeah, Kimimoto makes their own deal. I'll link to that Amazon stuff in the description in the bottom if you want to check out their stuff. But let me show you what I've got instead. I just thought it looked kind of cool. Thought we'd check it out, see what it's all about. Okay, so what we've got here is a SuperATV trunk lid. It just plops right over the open trunk and bolts down. The one reason I don't really, I won't say dislike these, but one thing that has over these is it's lockable. It's got a key, all that. Disadvantages with that is that there's no cooler or anything like that. And it's not a quick remove type of thing like these are. These have, you know, I don't know what Polaris calls it. Quick link, Polaris lock and ride, I don't even remember. But these just pop right out if I wasn't just one-handed. So these things, you just flip those up and remove these. And the thing comes right out of there. So that's one huge advantage of the Polaris thing. It's also a disadvantage if somebody wanted to walk off with your entire storage box. They make it really easy for that to happen too. So we can just move this out of the way. There's two on that side, and we're actually missing one of the things right there. Huh. Wonder what happened to that. There we go. Comes right out just like that. Of course I got stuff in there, so it's not super light. I think that's a plug to the cooler. Alright, well, it didn't take long to find my first issue with this. I set it down in the trunk, and you can see that that bracket's bent. Both these brackets actually need to be bent that way, because I bolted everything down and it didn't sit square, and the lid didn't sit down flush or anything, so it's kind of goofy. So, time to bring out the big stick, or whatever I need to do to bend this forward and then bend this down a bit. Alright, I've got the 2 Torx heads in there, and then behind the lid there's 2 there. 2 more attachment points here, there, and 2 more right there. So there's the hardware. Then I just got to install the struts. Alright, well, here it is installed. It's kind of dirty. It looks good. The biggest issues I had were these brackets were bent, and I think there ought to be a couple washers underneath the tabs to lift this frame up a little bit so it fits better with the door. It's not terrible, but it's not great. I mean, these UTVs aren't perfectly square. None of them are all exactly the same or anything like that. So I don't know. The biggest issues I see with this box is it's not watertight, it's not dust proof. So you're going to be getting dust, water in all around the perimeter of this. They don't supply any kind of gasket or anything like that, which is kind of a bummer. Even like, I don't know. Let's open this up, we'll show you that. It does lock, which is cool. Got struts there. I don't know if you could put a bulb sill around the edge of that or not. Just like a really, really thin one. I don't know how well that would work, but it would be something. And then there's no holes in here, so if this does get a whole bunch of water, it's just gonna stay in there, I think. Oh, actually, no. There's some on the back there, so. Overall installation is not difficult at all if everything's straight. I had to bend these out. I'm gonna have to touch that up a little bit with some paint. Powder coat looks decent. It's got a nice, I don't know if it's nice, but it's got a texture to it. There is kind of some weather seal around here, but I think that's gonna do minimal. I really like the look of it. I like the flat look. Looks pretty cool. I just wish everything fit a little bit better. Overall, I'd give it a 7 out of 10. I mean, it's going to do its job. It's going to hold things. If you don't want to go this route for whatever reason, you could certainly use this and put a soft cooler in there, and you'd basically be accomplishing the same as all of this. So time will tell if we keep this or if we sell it or if we sell those. Yeah, I don't dislike it. I think it's a pretty good product. Just a couple, I don't know if it happened in shipping, but this one was bent back, so I had to bend that out, and I even bent this one that way a little bit as well, just to get the frame to fit a little bit better with the trunk lid. So yeah, we'll have this up on the website. As always, guys, we are a dealer for SuperATV, so if you see things on SuperATV that you like and you want a little bit better deal than what you're getting off the website, contact us. Email us at info@derangedoffroad.com, and we can get you a little bit better deal than what you're going to see on the website there. So if you want one of these, let us know. I'll put a link in the description to our website where this is at, and maybe we'll put, like, I don't know, email us for the best possible deal on all SuperATV products, guys. info@derangedoffroad.com. All right, we'll just say that. So I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Works pretty good. Fitment could be a little bit better if I shimmed the frame up just a hair. And that's really my biggest gripe. Installation's a breeze. There's 8 bolts basically, easy. All right, guys. So I think that's it. As always, if you want to support the channel, you can shop our Rocky Mountain link in there if you need to get oil, OEM parts, accessories, whatever you want. Hit that link. If you buy from that link, we get a little bit of a kickback on that. It doesn't cost you guys a penny more to do that, and it's really an awesome way to support us. You can shop our website, or you can just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So, all right, we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.